Howdy guys, it's Michelle Abney from the gardens at Texas A&M University. It's a beautiful, beautiful April day here at the Leach Teaching Gardens, and I thought I would show you a little something that a friend of mine gave me. His name's Ray Pruitt, and he lives at Sparkle Farm in Austin, Texas, and he loves growing all kinds of weird fruits and vegetables and flowers, and he shared this with me, and this is called a birdhouse gourd. That's what it's called, a birdhouse gourd. It's a gourd, which is, related to pumpkins and squash and cucumbers. And this is the time of year to plant your birdhouse gourd seeds. Then in the fall, they're going to produce a funky shaped gourd like this. You let that dry out completely, and you can cut a hole in it and hang it in a tree, and voila, it becomes a birdhouse, hence the name Birdhouse Gourd. So this one is full of seeds, and I've decided it's time to harvest those seeds. I don't know what I'm doing, but I have grabbed a rock, and I'm gonna break open this gourd, see how many gourd seeds we have, and then I'll be giving those to Joseph Johnson to plant in our gourd tunnel, a tunnel that you can grow climbing plants on. Right now we've got some beans planted out there and some cucumbers, some loofah, which are related to cucumbers, and we also need some birdhouse gourds. So this is very dry right now. You can hear the seeds rattling on the inside. There's probably a more efficient way of doing this, but I've got a rock and I've got a gourd, and I'm gonna crack it open. Sorry for that, that's really loud. Got a little hole. Going to break the shell of this birdhouse gourd, and inside you can see it's like really dry, it's just cracking apart, and inside there are seeds. Oh my goodness, lots and lots of seeds. Couldn't have been any easier. All right, now that I've shaken all the seeds out, I've got this little birdhouse gourd, right? It's a birdhouse. I'm going to take a file and shave down these edges so that it's nice and smooth, hang it in a tree. Birdhouse gourd. I could even paint this and decorate it. Inside we had a lot of seeds, a bunch of seeds. I would say about 60 to 75 seeds. They're fairly large, so you don't have to worry about losing them. They have a strange shape to them. They're not shaped like pumpkin seeds exactly. They've got kind of a pointy end on them. This is the time of year you're going to want to plant these. Remember, they're climbers. You're going to want to put them on a trellis or something that they can climb on so they can do their best. We'll be planting these at our gourd tunnel, which I showed you a picture of a little bit ago. So give it a try. Plant some birdhouse gourds in your yard today. Have a great day. Thank you, Ray, for the birdhouse gourd. Thank you all for stopping in with us from the Leach Teaching Gardens. Bye.